Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAT Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. In this lecture, let's practice elbow design 3 in CATIA. So here you can see the front view, the top view is given, side view is given, and isometric view. You can see we already tried this part here. So this part we already tried, and now this is the additional part we need to create. Okay. So this is one more auxiliary view was given for this view here. So let's start, and again we'll create the rib here with the help of center curve and the circular profile. So this is 220, and if you see this is almost 70, so we can see this must be 150. So let's start with the CATIA here. So start mechanical design, part design, and here let's put a name elbow design 03. Click on OK here. So let it maximize it, and now you can see we are in the part design. Okay, so let's draw a sketch on the front plane. So just select the front plane, YZ plane here, and then here we'll create that profile. So let's create this profile, then escape after it, and then this is a curvature of diameter 200. So let's use the corner command here. Select this line, select this line, and then you can provide the radius as 100 because the diameter is 200 here. So again provide these two dimensions from this edge to 150. Then one more we need to provide from this axis to this point, again provide that as 150. So this is our center curve ready. So here again, if you want to change the name of it, then you can go to the properties here, and then here you can provide center curve, and then click on OK. So now you can see the name has been updated. So now let's create this profile here. So because we are mostly focusing on this area here, so we'll create this quickly. So use this offset command here. So here again select the normal to the curve, and then lock this icon so that it will not get automatically changed whenever we try to select any other profile. Just select this curvature and then select the point here. So now we have our plane which is normal to the curvature. So again let's use the position sketch and draw on this plane. We'll create a profile which is nothing but a circular profile, and here if you see this is a circular profile. So if you see the diameter is 150, this is 150. Okay, so let's create a dimension here, provide a dimension and provide a diameter as 150, then exit the workbench. So now we have our profile ready as well as the center curve ready. So let's use the rib command here, then select this profile and then select this curvature. If you preview it, you can see the rib has been created along that particular center curve. Now we'll create one more profile here on this face, and to create the slot. So let's use maybe face, or you can simply use this plane here and then click on OK. So here we'll create one more circular profile having diameter of 140, and then you can exit the workbench. Now we can use the slot command. This is enabled now, so just use the slot command, and now the center curve. So you can select either center curve from here, or else you can just show it from here as well. But now you can also select from the tree as well directly. Okay, so just select it, and you will see, if you preview it, you will see the preview of it, and you can see the slot has been created within that particular rib along the center curve. Now the next thing is we'll create this portion here. So let's create that, which is having 160 mm outer diameter and 155 is the inner diameter. So let's create again on this plane. Just select the position sketch, select this plane here, and then click on OK. So let's create a circle again. Just select a circle, and then here provide the diameter as 160, and then exit it. Now use the pad command here and then provide a length as 70. So 150 plus 70 becomes 220 here. And then again similarly we can create one more at this position. So let's make it show, and we'll create one more plane. So again normal to the curve, just select the curve and select this end point and then click OK. So now you can see the plane has been created here. So just use the sketch position, again select this, reverse V and then swap it. So here we'll create one more circular profile of having diameter of 160. Just provide a dimension 160 and then exit the workbench, and now again use the pad command and then make it to 70. Now just we need to create the pockets here. So first, before that, we'll just provide the radius here. So again use the edge fillet, just provide the fillets, select this edge here, first edge, second edge, then this third edge, the fourth one, and then try to preview it. Just click OK, and now you can see the fillet has been applied here. And now we'll create a pockets here. Okay, so again let's create a profile on this face now. Just reverse it, then okay, so now just click on OK, and here we'll create that. Okay, so just create a circle and then again provide a diameter of now 155 and then exit it and use the pocket command, and let's keep it to 70. So now you can see the pocket has been created. Again we'll create one more on this face. So again use the position sketch and then click on OK. So because we were just changing the axis to align our object properly, so just try to select that and then provide the dimension here as well as 155, then exit the workbench and then again use a pocket and make it to 70. And here now we will create the fillets again. Just select this, select the edge, select the second edge, and on this side as well just select these two edges. Select the edge, this one, and try to preview after it. Just click on OK. So now our part 1 is completed. Just click on the isometric view here and you can see our part 1 is complete. Now we need to do this one. Okay, so let's create a plane which is inclined at 45 degrees. So you can see this is 45 degree. So here again let's use this, and then here maybe go to the front plane here and we'll create one line just to create that particular plane which is at an angle of 45 degree. So again here just provide the angle and here make it to 45 degree, and then you can see it is at 45 degree. And then so now let's make some distance here. Let's keep some distance from this point and this point here at an incline. So let's try to enter 100, or maybe let's keep 120 and then exit the workbench. So now we have this line which is at a 45 degree, and now we can create a plane at this point. So select this plane option and then create again normal to the curve. Just the curve is already selected here, and then select this point and just click OK. So now you can see our part is created, our plane is created, and now we will create that particular profile. So again this is a circular profile, so that we will create. So let's go to here again, and now we'll try to sketch on this plane. So just reverse this and click on OK. So use this fit all in option to make it visible in the graphics window. And now we'll create this circular profile again. So just create a circle and let's see what is the diameter of it. So if you see here, the diameter of it is looks 100. So let's try to change the dimension here to 100 mm diameter and then exit the workbench here. And now we will use the pad command, just reverse the direction and then we'll create it till this plane, okay, till this surface. Just select this and try to select this surface here and just click on OK. So if you see inside, you can see the pad is created till this surface only. Okay, so now let's create the another profile here, the outer flange you can create. So again we'll create on this face, just click on OK, and then again that is also in a circular profile. So just provide a diameter here, so which is 180, and then exit the workbench. So here we'll see what is the width here. So I think width is not specified, so maybe we'll try to create a default, you can say maybe 20 or 40 mm. We'll try. Let's see, this is 70, so 40, make it to 40, or better let's keep it to 30 and then click on OK. So now we have the flange also there, and now let's create a pocket. So the pocket is again I think the dimension is not given here, or maybe here it is given, it's not clearly shown, like, so maybe let's provide some default one. Okay, so let's create it. So we'll sketch on this face again, and then here we'll create some dimensions, some profiles, and provide a dimension to it. So let's keep it to 80, then exit the workbench and then click on pocket, and then here maybe you can try to provide it blind, not blind, but you can just provide it up to next and then click on preview and just select it. You can see the hole has been created on the inner side as well. So for this flange I will just make the length as 20, and now we can simply create the holes here. So these are the holes which is of 7.5 mm diameter. So let's try that. Again we'll create with using the hole option here. Just select the face and just move it little, and then you can click on the position sketch button here, and then you can simply drag and drop. Okay, so I will just select this and make it coincidence, and then I can provide some dimension, let's say. So you can change it based on your requirement. Let's try, I'm just trying here at 65, and then exit it, and then here you can adjust the diameter. So let's put it 7.5, and then the depth is 20, and this is the hole is getting completed. So maybe we can increase the diameter of it. Let's increase the diameter to maybe 15. So again just try to change. Okay, so this is, I think it's created already. Yeah, and now we can use the pattern here to create the multiple holes. Okay, so just use a pattern. So just you can see the pattern here, the circular pattern will select. Then here a reference element we can select as this one, or maybe just try to change it here, complete crown, and then the reference element, again select the object to this, sorry, this not this one, this is remove, and then you can just or select from this tree as well, or just select from here. I want to create that pattern of holes, so just provide instances as 4, and then the reference element, you can also provide this diameter, or you can provide this line which we have created. Okay, so let's click on OK. So in this way you can create this. If you want to increase the holes here, numbers here, you can just increase it and just click on OK. After that you can just provide the fillets, just click on OK. Also we will provide here as well, just select in the same, select this edge and then select this edge as well, just click on preview and click on OK. So you can see our part is ready now, and you can compare with this, the part is the same one. So let's say if I want to change the length here, so let's try to change the length as well. Maybe you can change in that sketch, just go to the sketch here and then let's try to change it to 100 and then click on OK, and you can see the part is getting updated automatically. So in this way you can create this type of elbows in CATIA. So thanks for watching this video, hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.